G'day everybody, it is Matt here, and today I've got this Arlo Pro 3 add-on camera that I'm going to be unboxing. I'm planning on using this one with my existing Arlo Pro surveillance system, and that's using a number of different cameras from the Arlo range. So this will be the first Arlo Pro 3 that I'm adding. And because I've already got a base station, I can use the add-on camera without needing to get a base station. And that's something that's really important to be aware of if you are thinking about getting the Arlo Pro 3. You have to have a base station to use it with. It's not like the Essential model or the 4 that can run without a base station. So a couple of the key features of this camera is color night vision using the built-in spotlight. We've got 160-degree viewing angle, 2.7K video quality, two-way audio, magnetic charging, and of course the battery is fully rechargeable. It all works with the Arlo app and so on, so you can see what's on the camera wherever you are in the world straight from your smartphone. So I really like the Arlo systems. One caveat to be aware of: the camera does come with a trial subscription to the Arlo Pro AI system, which adds a heap of extra functionality like animal recognition, person recognition, and that sort of thing, which is pretty cool. If you don't have that subscription though, these will not record to the cloud. That's really, really important to be aware. They'll only record locally, which again requires a base station that supports local recording. So if you want that cloud recording, there is going to be an extra cost on a monthly basis. So just something to be aware of if you're thinking about one of these. Right now though, let's open it up, unbox it, and have a look and see what's inside. Alright, it's got a handy pull tab on the top there. Everything came out nice and easy from that box, which is great. I always like that. Protected by Arlo sticker. And it looks like also just Arlo instructions and that sort of things here. We've got the camera itself. Obviously, a big thing there. It's a bit bigger and a bit weightier, I think, than the Essential, and definitely more so than the older ones I've got. Looks nice though. It looks very similar to the Essential. Underneath here is probably the big thing that's different. We've got this magnetic charge point here rather than the USB input that the older models have. We've got a magnetic mount for it. So looks like we can slot that over a screw. And that should, yep, just, it's a pretty strong magnet actually. I worry about these sometimes, especially with birds landing on them and whatnot, but it's pretty sturdy. It sticks on really, really well. There's a decent amount of weight in it too actually. Continuing on, we've got in here a battery. So that's pretty important, we need one of those. A mounting screw for the mount. And I assume somewhere in here we have our power cable. Oh, it's hiding, but there it is. That is our power cable. So that, yep, that's it. So that will magnetically jump straight on there like that. So there you go. That's everything that comes in the box of the Arlo Pro 3 add-on camera. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.